Hello everyone, I'm back. Now those that know me know that I do like my oddity or multicoloured shoes. So today we're going to look at the TRESC Run. A word of warning, it's a modern silhouette and definitely not for the purists. Let's take a look. So these came out, I don't know, 11 months ago. I picked them up in the sales for next to nothing really. Let's crack open the box and take a look. The first thing to say, the original release did come in a nice white box. These were part of a collaboration between Foot Locker and the Asterisk collective, I'm going to say. So again, as I stated in the intro, these are definitely not for the purist. Okay, very modern silhouette. You do have a full boost sole unit there. Some kind of TPU accent on the side, just a bit of a feature there. We do have black suede on the toe box panel. If we do a toe to tongue, some nice detail on the end of the laces there. So if we swing back here, now the three stripes are actually 3M. So yeah, I'll show you what that does now with a camera flash. Okay, we've got a lot of detail on the back. Again, you know, this multi-colorway sort of is prevalent throughout the shoe. That's the Asterisk collective logo or motif. That's repeated on the insole here. Don't know if you can see that, to be honest with you. It's a bit clearer. For me, these look far better on foot than they do just in hand, if you like. Now this was why I bought them really. Just really fell in love with the underside of the shoe. I mean, look at all those colours there. And that is referenced around the side of the outsole. You can always see that almost translucent, interspersed with various rainbow colours. So there's the TRESC Run for you guys, currently on in the sales. Again, as I like my you know, oddity type shoes, there's loads going on with these, so I thought, yeah, let's just be a bit crazy and pick up a pair. Because again, they cost, I don't know, less than half price what the original was. So I will put these on foot now. Plenty more on the way, kids, alright? So I'll catch you next time. See you soon. Cheers.
Right, come on, you two. Let's have a nice good wash.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Zippy, what have you got there?
Oh, it's my loofah, Jeffy. I'm going to wash George's back. Turn round, George. Oh, yeah.